A bomb blast rocked the BJP headquarters in the Malleshwaram area of Bangalore around 11:15 on Wednesday. 16 people were injured in the incident, including 8 policemen. The injured were admitted to a nearby hospital. Initial reports said the blast might have been caused by a cylinder explosion in a car. A number of vehicles and nearby houses bore the brunt of the blast. An NIA team was rushed to Bangalore to assist with the investigations.
NIA officers also have come. Our forensic science laboratory officials have come. They are on the spot and they are examining the place of occurrence in detail, minutely, and we hope that we will have progress in the investigation very soon.
Minister of State for Home Affairs RPN Singh said that investigators were looking into all possibilities and terror angle cannot be ruled out. The Home Minister Sushil Shinde also said that all possible assistance will be provided to Karnataka Police by the Home Ministry. Meanwhile, just few hours after the Malleshwaram blast, rumours of a second blast started making rounds. The Bangalore Police Commissioner quelled such rumours.
इस प्रकार के जो रूमर्स हैं वो आम जनता में एक प्रकार का डर पैदा करती हैं.
BJP President Rajnath Singh also condemned the blast.
जो भी घटना हुई है बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. कई लोग जख्मी हुए हैं. 2 लोग तो बहुत ही बुरी तरह हताहत हैं.
Wednesday was the last date for filing nomination papers for the assembly polls on the 5th of May.